On June 22, 1941, Nazi Germany launched Operation Barbarossa, the largest military invasion in history, targeting the Soviet Union. From the German perspective, this operation was a pivotal moment in Adolf Hitler's vision for expanding German territory, defeating communism, and securing the vast resources of the East. Understanding the German viewpoint sheds light on the strategic ambitions, military planning, and ideological motivations that drove one of World War II's most dramatic campaigns, and ultimately led to a catastrophic failure for the Wehrmacht. Strategic ambitions behind Barbarossa. For the German leadership, Operation Barbarossa was conceived as a decisive blow against the Soviet Union, aimed at destroying what Hitler saw as his greatest ideological and geopolitical enemy, Bolshevism. The invasion had multiple goals. Lebensraum, living space. Hitler believed the German people needed more territory to thrive, particularly in the resource-rich lands of the Soviet Union. Destroying communism. Hitler's hatred of communism and the Soviet regime fueled his desire to eliminate it once and for all. Securing resources. Control of Soviet oil fields, grain and raw materials was seen as essential to sustaining Germany's war machine. Preemptive strike. German military planners believed that the USSR was preparing to attack Germany, so striking first was deemed necessary. Planning and execution. Operation Barbarossa was meticulously planned, involving nearly 3 million German soldiers, thousands of tanks, aircraft and artillery, making it the largest military operation ever undertaken. The strategy involved three main army groups. Army Group North, advance towards Leningrad. Army Group Center, push towards Moscow, the Soviet capital. Army Group South, move into Ukraine and secure vital agricultural and industrial areas. The plan relied on rapid, decisive armored thrusts, blitzkrieg tactics, to encircle and destroy Soviet forces before they could regroup. Initial success and confidence. The early weeks of Barbarossa seemed to confirm German expectations. German forces advanced rapidly, capturing vast territories and inflicting heavy losses on the Red Army. Massive Soviet encirclements led to the capture of hundreds of thousands of prisoners. The Wehrmacht's mechanized units pushed deep into Soviet lands, overwhelming poorly prepared Soviet defenses. This success boosted German morale and reinforced the belief that the Soviet Union would collapse quickly. Challenges and underestimation. However, several critical challenges soon emerged. Vast distances and logistics. The immense size of the Soviet Union stretched German supply lines dangerously thin, complicating resupply and reinforcements. Soviet resilience. Contrary to German expectations, the Soviet people and army displayed extraordinary determination and capacity to recover, often retreating strategically while inflicting casualties. Harsh weather. The onset of the brutal Russian winter halted German advances, for which the Wehrmacht was ill-prepared. Underestimating the enemy. German intelligence and leadership underestimated the Soviet Union's industrial capacity and manpower reserves. The turning point. By late 1941, the German advance had stalled before Moscow, failing to achieve the swift victory Hitler demanded. Subsequent battles, especially the prolonged siege of Leningrad and the catastrophic defeat at Stalingrad in 1942-43, marked the beginning of Germany's strategic decline on the Eastern Front. Operation Barbarossa, initially seen as a masterstroke, became a quagmire that drained German resources and morale. Ideological brutality and war crimes. From the German perspective, Barbarossa was not just a military campaign but an ideological war. The invading forces engaged in brutal actions against civilians, partisans, and prisoners, driven by Nazi racial policies and the goal of subjugating or exterminating perceived enemies. This brutality, including the targeting of Jews and other groups, contributed to widespread atrocities and has left a dark legacy on the memory of the campaign. For Germany, Operation Barbarossa was a bold gamble rooted in ideological zeal and strategic necessity. While it began with spectacular advances and confidence, the campaign ultimately exposed the limitations of German planning and the resilience of the Soviet Union. From the German perspective, Barbarossa was both a testament to the Wehrmacht's military prowess and a cautionary tale of hubris and overreach, a turning point that would lead to the eventual collapse of Nazi Germany.